So hello my friends, this is just another quick video in my sort of custom journey. There are plenty of videos on how to do this, do wheel swaps. I'm not going to try and do that because of the noise, but I think some of the best I've seen that make it easy are diecast outcast and I think it's Big A's diecast from Los Angeles. But so many people have. So I'm just going to show some wheel swaps that I've done recently. I mean, I had shown the Volvo wagon. I just pulled the chrome versions off and put these gray ones on. I thought that was fantastic. The the Beetle, I took those chrome wheels off the Volvo and put them on the Beetle, replacing these simple 5 stars. I think these are more fitting on the Beetle. And if I didn't tell you, you can't tell that this car, well, the axle width, which I may do a video on in the future. I have to watch a few myself. But the Beetle, I did nothing except for just drill it and do a wheel swap. The one thing I'm really happy about is these wheels from the Pagani Huayra on this Matchbox Capri. I think they look really good on this car, and rolling is not a problem. Most of the wheel swaps I've done, rolling is not a problem. And since I exploded the Volvo wagon the other day, I took one of the Matchbox Mercedes, and you can see, again, the width of the axles has to be changed, but so I took the wheels from the Kia Stinger, which we all have, and which by me is in dump bins wholesale. I mean, there's tons of them. I will not, take wheels off a car that's hard to come by, and highly sought. I will try and get wheels. Well, I mean that's not exactly true. This Koenigsegg, what is it? Oh no, is this a Koenigsegg? Yeah, Koenigsegg Jesco, which I don't know, was sought after when it first came out, but now seems, I mean, I picked up 4 of them the other day because they were in a dump bin. Again, I say supercars aren't my style, but that Koenigsegg came with some really cool wheels, which I can't show. Well, I can show you. Hold on, I don't want to show you the car they're on because that's a future surprise. But they have some very cool, simple wheels. These wheels came on the Koenigsegg, and I think they will stand in on quite a few models. I mean, I may try them on the Capri. I have one special custom that it's in progress that I don't want to show yet because it isn't completed. So wheel swaps, in my journey, I started with the paint pens for details, then, drilling and painting several models. One that's in progress, but I will show, is this Matchbox Plymouth Cuda. So I drilled it, I repainted it, stripped it and repainted it, and I swapped out wheels on it. Now I have mixed matched wheels, bigs and littles on this, because I think they give it the right rake. And again, it rolls fine. That Galaxy that I showed in the Tampa removal, which I haven't completed, but I will, I've been using as a test bed for to see how different wheel swaps. So of course we all know that Matchbox makes these cool dog dish hubcap wheels. Now they have just a center cap, and they have the center cap and the beauty ring versions on different models. So there's a lot of possibilities there. And once the tampos are off this completely, this I'm thinking would look great as like a bootlegger's car. So there's some real possibility there. Of course, I'm looking for the proper wheels for this Plymouth Savoy. And still figuring out with input from fans, like Quirky Garage, over there, Quirky Garage 1999. I believe these are the ones that he likes for the Omni. So I'm just trying to decide trim ring or no. This one I'm going to take my time with. Here are two that are going to be upcoming. The car I love to hate the most, the Mustang Fox body from the Art Car series with the orange wheels and everything. So this is going to get the full treatment down the road. This is going to get stripped, painted, drilled, wheel swapped, everything. I just wish it didn't have the tinted windows, because then I would try and detail the interior. And I have a couple of others, like I said, specials. I'm trying to work on some customs for friends. So this is just where I am right now. I'm shucking supercars like peanuts to harvest their wheels. So I guess this video is not for the faint. For the people that really love supercars. I'm sorry, those ones are not getting rebuilt. Maybe I'll box them up and send them to you. Who knows? So just a quick video, and I hope to see you more on the weekends. So have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.